Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Pies. Since we are talking about springtime, I would wear a springtime hat and my sunglasses. So, today, actually this week, we are going to be learning about the letter X. So, I wanted to show you my X sound tub, my capital X and my lowercase x. They look just alike. One is tall and one is short. So let's talk about the toys we have in the sound box to help you think about some words that you already know that have the X sound in it. X, X, X. Most of my toys have the X sound at the end of the word, not at the beginning. Watch this. This is a box. Box. X. Do you hear the X sound at the end? Box. This is a fox. X. I have the number 6. A tiny little axe. X, X. And I have an X-ray. Those are the sound tub toys I have. And I have my capital X and lowercase x, and they look just alike. I'm going to make a different video to teach you how to make the letter X. We do a lot of slanting and something that looks a lot like karate chops. So we're going to do a game and learn how to write the letter X together in another video. Before we start that though, let's review one more time the toys that have the X, X sound at the end. Say it with me, okay? Box, X, fox, X. Sounds so good, you guys. Keep going. 6, X, axe, X. And an X. X. X-ray. Good job, guys. Have you ever had an X-ray? All right. Be sure to look for my other video with your family's help and learning how to make the letter X with a really fun karate chopping game. Okay? Mwah.